Today, I will present to you the one AI solution that every single business on earth needs right now. You don't need any development or coding skills, this is something anyone can learn and sell. This AI solution is LLM employee training. And in this video, I will give you everything you need to be able to sell and deliver this to businesses starting today. And make sure you stay until the end because I will be giving you a complete blueprint for it. For those who don't know me, my name is Logan Tenex and I've been building my AI business for more than 3 years. Today I found what I believe is the best AI business model, which is the AI partnership. And what I'm presenting to you today is one typical AI solution that you can implement inside your clients' businesses as an AI partner. And if you want to learn more about the AI partnership model, I will put the link to a video I made on the subject. But without further ado, let's dive straight into LLM employee training. Let me quickly frame the current state of the market. I've been evolving with it and constantly looking at what people are saying. Right now, everyone is still talking about agents, voice agents, or even AI systems. And don't get me wrong, those AI solutions can be insanely valuable if implemented the right way. But as someone who's been trying to understand the AI market, talking with hundreds of business owners, there's something that annoys me with everyone focusing on this. See, agents are complex, both to build and for the business. Of course, anyone can learn to build agents, but saying that it's simple is wrong in my opinion. Moreover, for the business, it often means changing the way the company operates. And the thing that annoys me is that there are easier solutions available right now, solutions that bring a bigger return on investment and require zero technical knowledge to sell. And that's exactly why I made this video, because today we're talking about LLM employee training, and you understood it? LLM employee training is one of those easy solutions to sell and implement. So what exactly is LLM training? The idea of LLM training is to train a business's employees on using LLMs. For those who don't know, LLM stands for Large Language Model, things like ChatGPT, Claude or Grok. The idea is to advise the business on what LLM to use for which task, but more importantly, train their employees on how to prompt those LLMs. Because after talk to real businesses, I know what they want and need. I also know where 90% of businesses currently stand in terms of AI transformation. And trust me, even if it sounds simple, this brings massive value. Why? Because the true power of LLMs is unlocked once you know how to prompt them. Problem is that they're so powerful, even for complete beginners, that people think they already know how to use them. People think that they know how to prompt ChatGPT because they started using a few examples. Well, prompt engineering is a little more complicated than that. And once you unlock this skill, you become what I call a one-man army. Someone who can do the work of many. And why wouldn't businesses want that? Why wouldn't they want super employees? What you're proposing to the business is simply using existing tools like ChatGPT and training their employees so they can truly leverage the tool. The return on investment is massive because the business literally transforms its employees. And I mean it, it's a true transformation. But to emphasize why selling this makes sense, let me share with you a short story. I always find it weird when I talk to AI experts selling agents or solutions, but not using them themselves. But the funny thing is that most of them decided to start a business because of ChatGPT. So ChatGPT changed their life, and then they proceed to sell something else. ChatGPT made me realize the opportunity of AI. So for me, it makes so much sense to offer that to businesses and help them unlock this first, rather than starting with complex solutions. But anyway, now that you know what LLM training is, let me tell you how you can package it and sell it to real businesses. Like I said in the beginning of this video, this solution is something you propose in your AI partnership. To give you a short explanation of the situation, you've just performed an AI audit. Your client paid for your audit, usually something between $2,000 to $4,000. The audit is where you identify AI opportunities to implement inside the business. At that step, this is where you think about LLM employee training. During the audit, you're trying to understand the business and find the AI solution that will bring the biggest return on investment. And let me tell you, you can probably add LLM employee training as the #1 priority in almost every single business. Then, once you've run your interviews inside the business to audit it, it's time to create the AI roadmap, which is the plan of action for their AI transformation. And like I said, employee training is probably the first thing you will propose. Now I want you to give you something. I've made a complete free blueprint for you. You now understand what LLM training is and why it's the solution you should be proposing to businesses. But I don't want to leave you only with that. I want to help you take action. So in the free resource I made for you, I give you every practical thing you will need. I will show you how to perform LLM employee training inside real businesses, from choosing the LLM to learning prompt engineering or even delivering the training. You will find the blueprint inside my free community, The Shift. The link is in the description. But before you leave, what I really want you to take away from this video is that this is something everyone is overlooking. ChatGPT made everyone realize how powerful AI is, but hardly anyone is truly leveraging it at its full potential. Your goal with this is to help businesses harness the full power of LLMs and transform the employee into super employees. And trust me, businesses love this because it's simple and incredibly efficient. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.